isbitaalka Soomaali Suudanes waa isbitaalka ugu weyn ee gaar loo leeyahay kuna yaala degmada Hoodan ee magaalada Muqdisho. Soomaali Suudanes Hospital waa isbitaalka kaliya ee kulmiyay in ka badan 50 dhaqaatiir Soomaaliyeed kuwaas oo ah kuwa ugu xirfadda wanaagsan dalka. waa isbitaalka kaliya ee kulmiyay 35 dhaqaatiir oo takhasus u leh qaybaha kala duwan ee caafimaadka.
I'm Dr. Nashat Kamil Akasha. I came from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Yasser Balla Abdullah from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Tariq Abdeljalil. I am from Egypt.
I'm Dr. Hassan Mohammed Ahmed from Sudan.
أنا دكتور إياد العلي من سوريا.
My name is Dr. Mohammed Abdul Karim. I came from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Atif Abdelmun'im Ibrahim from Egypt.
I am Dr. Mohammed Abdulrahman from Sudan. I am Dr. Walid Mohammed Rida from Egypt.
I am Mr. Amr Mubarak Osman from Sudan.
I'm Dr. Fadi Khalil Sulaiman. I'm from Syria.
My name is Dr. Omar Sharif. I am from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Ali Al-Sarim Muhammad. I am from Syria.
My name is Dr. Mutawakil Ibrahim. I am from Sudan.
I am Dr. Ahmed Ziyada from Egypt.
My name is Mu'taz Baydallah. I am from Sudan.
I am Dr. Takalli Lamesa from Ethiopia.
My name is Musab Babikir Al Ahmed. I am from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Kirwel Tashoma. I came from Ethiopia.
My name is Mohammed Al Nazir Sadiq. I am from Sudan.
My name is Sam. I am from India.
My name is Efren Pahad Ranuda. I am from Philippines.
I am Dr. Najib from Syria.
My name is Dr. Hiba Adam from Sudan.
I'm Dr. Hisham Awajeli. I'm from Syria.
I am Dr. Faris. I am from Sudan.
My name is Dr. Hamza Sharif. I am an Egyptian.
I am Dr. Mohammed Abdelmun'im from Sudan.
I'm Dr. Rafet Tawfiq Jum'a from Syria.
My name is Sitaram Surve. I am from India.
I'm Rain Alitan from Philippines.
I am Dr. Raid Salman Hassan, Syrian nationality dental.
My name is Dr. Ali Hussein. I am from Yemen.
My name is Dr. Habib Nadir. I'm from Syria.
And I was from Syria.
My name is Mawad Al Hakim. I'm from Syria.
I'm Dr. Abdulaziz Ibrahim. I'm from Sudan.
My name is Ahim Owaisa. I am Dr. from Syria.
I am Dr. Muhammad from Syria.
My name is Dr. Abdulaziz Hussein. I'm from Ethiopia.
I am Dr. Kadir Hussein from Ethiopia.
dhammaan dhaqaatiirtaas waxay u yimaadeen hal ujeedo oo kaliya
to serve Somali community.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I came here to serve the Somali people.
I came to serve Somali people.
أتيت لخدمة أهلي في الصومال الحبيب.
I came here to serve the Somali people.
I'm here to help Somali people.
I came to serve the Somali people.
I come here to serve Somalian people.
I came here to serve Somalian people.
I'm here to serving Somalis people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I am here to help Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I'm here to serve Somali people.
They came here to serve the Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people. I am here to serve Somalia people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I am here to serve the Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali people.
Here we give Somali people all dental service.
I came here to help the people of Somalia.
I am here to help Somali people.
I came here to help Somali people.
I'm coming here to help Somali people.
I came here to serve Somali peoples.
I came here to serve Somali people.
I came here to help Somali people.
I come here to help Somali people.
I come here to help Somali people.
I come to here to help Somali people.
I came here to survive Somalian people.
I came here to serve Somali community.
I am here to serve Somali people.
I have the honor to serve the Somalian community.
I'm here to serve the Somali community.
I came here to serve Somali people.